Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to delete all of your comments you have ever made on YouTube at once. So how you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply open the YouTube app here, and after that you have to simply go to library, and after that you have to click on the profile. After that you have to click on settings, and here you have to click on manage all history, and here you have to simply select that account you want to see all of your comments, and after that you want to delete. Here you can find the option of history, controls and interaction. So you have to simply click on interaction because all of your likes, dislikes and comments will be here. If you click on comment, likes and dislike, you will not find anything, but you have to go back and you have to click on comment and replies, and here you can find the option of YouTube comments. Now if you want to delete any of your YouTube comments, here you can simply click that comment, and after that that comment will be deleted. Here you can see that if I click on any of the comment cross button, then you can see it is deleting. In this way you can simply delete any comments you have ever made on YouTube. Now if you want to delete all of your comments on YouTube, then how you gonna do that? For this you have to simply scroll it down and you have to click on view other activity. After that you have to scroll it down and you have to search for comments and YouTube, so you have to click on that. Here you can find the same option here, but if you click on three lines here, you can find the option of my activity, other activity and activity control, but you do not find any option that goes for delete all, because this option is only available for YouTube likes and dislikes. Because if you click on YouTube likes and dislikes, here you can find the option of delete all. For example, if you click on here, as you can see, delete your likes and dislikes on YouTube video activity or from all time, which means you can simply delete all your likes and dislikes, but there is no option available that you can simply delete all of your comments you have ever made on YouTube. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.